How to remove devices connected to your Instagram account? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to remove unfamiliar devices from your Instagram account. Without further ado, let's get started. Online security is more than just password. Fortunately, Instagram lets you check and remove unfamiliar devices remotely. For that, open Instagram, sign in, navigate to profile icon at bottom right. Tap the hamburger menu at top right corner of your screen. Scroll down, navigate to Account Center. Tap Password and Security. Tap where you are logged in. Here you can see a list of logged in devices and location by tapping on your Instagram account. So if you spot an unrecognized device, you can tap Select Devices to log out. Currently, I do not have any logins on other devices, so I do not get the option to select devices to log out. You can choose the suspicious device and remove it by confirming and tapping on Logout. If you see an unfamiliar login, tap This wasn't me. Instagram will log out all other devices and prompt you to set your password for security. That is how to remove devices connected to your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.